Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can convert a vertical list into a horizontal one. Okay, now take a look at here. I have in column a list of 12 months. Okay, and I want this list to become a horizontal list. Okay, and I want the month is here and all the month name will be from here to there. Okay, that means just convert the position, and I'm going to do it with Microsoft Excel built-in function, which is transpose. First I'm going to select the list and copy it, and then select the cell number where I want the list to be pasted horizontally. Okay, the vertical list I have copied and I'm going to paste it here. So right click here and click on paste spatial. Okay, now click here, transpose, and click OK. So this was the list and it was in vertical way, and now here goes the list and it's in the horizontal way. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you. Thank you, thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.